here from David's Train Vlogs. I'm here at Waterfall. As you can see right in front of me, we have the Kiama Picnic train. Right over there. Just filled up on water, and now I'll go to Kiama. We'll go to Cronulla, will be its next stop. And it's now moving away. Here we go. Zoom in on this thing. Far out. 5917 is the leading steam locomotive. On the Trip View app, it actually said this was a one-car Indian Pacific. Doesn't know what a steam train is, obviously. So the leading steam locomotive pulling this train was 5917. Now arriving into platform number 1, we have a central service to make Car Oscar. It'll be stopping at Sutherland, Hurstville, Walleye Creek and Central. Oh, Walleye Creek, Redfern and Central, sorry. Leading half the set is H31. Anyway guys, I'm going to finish the video here. Don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to my channel David's Train Vlogs. Like my Facebook page. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I will.